Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we're exploring key features for crafting a short in Adobe Premiere Pro. Our focus is on adjusting parameters within the sequence and before rendering. These features will help you transform a regular landscape format video into a captivating short, designed for vertical viewing. Importing the video clip. First, import your video clip into Premiere Pro and add it to the timeline. On the timeline, select 59 seconds or less of the clip and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K to cut the desired length. Remove any unnecessary parts. Why 59 seconds or less? Some creators have reported that YouTube may automatically add an extra second to uploaded videos, making them technically exceed the 1-minute boundary for shorts. To avoid this issue, many creators aim for a 59-second duration to ensure their content remains within the intended 1-minute limit. Sequence settings. Now, go to the top and click on Sequence, then choose Sequence Settings. Frame size adjustment. In the Sequence Settings window, navigate to Video and Frame Size. Here, change your video frame size, 1920 width to 1080 and 1080 height to 1920, essentially switching from 16 to 9 to 916. After making these changes, a pop-up window will appear, asking if you want to delete all previews for this sequence. Click OK. Now let's make the scale adjustment. The orientation of the screen in the program window will change. Adjust the scale of your clip to fill the frame as needed. You can now make various adjustments to your short, such as color corrections, text overlays, and visual or audio effects. Preparing for rendering. Once your short is ready, and before rendering, go to Export. In the File Name window, name your file and choose the save location. Click Save. Adjust the video settings. Select Video. Look for frame size, and click the arrow on the right. At the bottom, choose Custom. Change your video frame size, 1920 width to 1080 and 1080 height to 1920. If needed, double-check the frame rate for your short. In this example, it's set to 30 frames per second. Make your desired changes if necessary. Scroll down to bitrate settings and select the bitrate you want for rendering. A recommended option is 8 megabits per second, following YouTube's guidelines. Review the estimated file size, ensuring it aligns with your preferences. Once you're satisfied with all the output settings, click Export, the blue button in the lower right corner of Premiere Pro. The encoding process will start, with a window in the middle of the screen displaying the estimated time. For a short, it should only take a few seconds or minutes. After exporting, Premiere Pro will show a blue rectangle in the lower right corner to confirm the result. Navigate to the location where you saved your short and enjoy the finished product. If you're happy with it, your short is ready for upload. Prepare your text elements, such as the title, description, hashtags, and a pinned comment. If you notice anything that requires adjustment, return to your short draft in Premiere Pro. Make the necessary changes, and repeat the export process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. Leave a comment if you have questions, and share it with your fellow creators. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.